Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here to share my fun unboxing of this month's paper pumpkin. I'm so excited to receive this. Now, I was very excited when I heard that. This is the Jolly Gingerbread. It's the November 2020 box. And look at how cool this box is. I mean, really, Stampin' Up is really kicking it up a notch or two. So if you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. Be sure to hit the red subscribe button. And also next to that, there will be a bell. If you ring the bell, you can choose to be notified when I upload new videos. All of them, some of them, a few of them, hopefully all of them. And I just did my nails. So woohoo! So I'm hoping they're dry and I don't zhuzh them up. But anyhow, Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription box. It's by Stampin' Up. I'm Susan Timchak. I'm a demonstrator with Stampin' Up, an independent demonstrator. And I've been having my own independent demonstrator business now for the past 20 years. And I've been a member of Paper Pumpkin since it came out many years ago. And it's just like receiving a Christmas gift each and every month. You kind of get a little bit of hints from Stampin' Up what it's going to be, but I like the surprise element of it. And sometimes I can't wait to see the surprise. So a lot of my other friends receive them earlier than me, and they may post pictures. And of course, I want to take a look at them because I can't wait. So anyhow, if you'd like to become a member of the Paper Pumpkin subscription club, be sure to head on over to my online store at stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. I will provide that website down below. It's my online store. You can purchase a lot of great supplies on there, paper crafting supplies, just about everything and anything that you would need. And here comes my cat Dory, because she's, like a cat, wants to know what's in this paper pumpkin box, because she's just as excited as I am. So without any further ado and any more chatting, let's take a look. Okay, so normally when you get it, it's all in cellophane and it has a paper on here with your mailing address. So I removed that beforehand. Not that I don't wish you all to come and visit me, but, just so there's no, creepers out there that want to come show up at my door. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about, right? All right, so here is the stamp set for this month, and it's super cute, although I wish that there were a little gingerbread man in here. But if you're lucky enough to have purchased, a few years ago, we had a gingerbread man with a coordinating punch, which was super cute. I believe I sold mine because I'll tell you, in 20 years, if I kept each and every stamp set that I purchased, I'd have to have a whole house just for that. So let's just use this flyer, and then we'll go back and look at the flyer and check it out. Oh, there's a piece of the box is stuck in here. And like I said, I don't want to zhuzh my nails. Anyhow, so here we are. Look at the size of this stamp set. I mean, here's my hand. It's the size of my hand, and that circle there is my ring light, so apologize for that. No matter where I put it, it just seems to want to pick it up, so just reflects off of things. Okay, so we have a very cute gingerbread house. We have enjoy with love, a sweet treat for you, to and from, wishing you a jolly Christmas, happy holidays, more merry. We have some little swirly designs and a few little swirlies here, and super cute. I love the little house. And the great part about this is after you finish up creating what the projects are suggested, you can go ahead and you'll have this stamp set forever, and you will not find this stamp set anywhere else but in a Paper Pumpkin box. So that is very exciting. I love that little house. I am like a stickler. I love gingerbread houses. How many of you remember making gingerbread houses, or maybe you still do, with your children, or maybe just for yourself each and every holiday season for Christmas? I know I do. So here's our little gingerbread man. Super cute. I wish that there was a punch, but I think I have a Sizzix die. Not Stampin' Up. But you could always use a cookie cutter and trace it if you want to add some little gingerbread men. So here's a little bit about this month's kit. It says, bake the most of your kit with coordinating cardstock. So definitely go to stampinup.com to purchase cardstock, but better yet, my online store will take you right to very easy online ordering, have it shipped right to yourself, no having to run out and battle the crowds, the COVID, or be worried about picking up anything. Just shop from home. Makes it real easy. So here's some alternative projects, and that was one of my first thoughts when I saw, and I will show you what this is to make some cards out of it. There is also a Paper Pumpkin Facebook page that you can join, and you'll see alternative projects in there. And go ahead, check out Pinterest and see what else people are posting. And a lot of people have gotten theirs already. I live in northeastern Pennsylvania. To sign up for Paper Pumpkin anywhere, it has to be by the 10th of the month, and then they ship out and you'll receive it. So I just got this one. Let me look at the calendar. So the 10th of the month, they process the orders. Now you can do a 1, 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. So if you're new, do one month by month and see what you think. It's only $22 a month. And if you purchase, though, the multiple subscription packages, you'll save a little bit of money by doing that. That was the 10th that it was ordered, and today is the 20th. So it came yesterday on the 19th. So, it took 9 days to get here from Utah. We also have a Stampin' Spot this month, which is Blushing Bride. And this is just a little miniature stamp ink pad that you will never receive the same in 12 months. So it's a great way to save up your ink pads if you're brand new to Stampin' Up. We also have our standard pads, which if you enjoy the color, you can go ahead and purchase those. But these, you can use our little refill bottles on these, and they're great for traveling. Great to make this as a fun gift for someone. All you have to do is tie a ribbon on here. So if you're a stamper already, and maybe you already subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, go ahead and add an extra subscription box on there and give it as a gift. It's a great gift for the crafter in your life. So it always comes all wrapped up in tissue paper, which I love that. I'm going to take this out of here, and I'm going to move my box aside. I don't want to tear my paper because, of course, you can repurpose it, right? And I have an idea of some fun little treat boxes I'm going to create with this. So if you would like to see my alternative projects, I have a Facebook page. It's under Stampin' Sue Creates on Facebook. Come and join the Facebook group. I do monthly swapping with customers and other demonstrators, and we just have a lot of fun over there. And I like to post projects. Every Thursday I do a Facebook Live. It's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the United States. And last night actually, because today's Friday, and I'm lucky to have the day off from work today, I did a fun sampler. So come on over and see what all happens over there. So you get a real nice piece of chipboard, which you can use for many things. People actually spend money to buy these, and here it comes every month in your Paper Pumpkin kit. Okay, let's check out, this is the instruction sheet. So this month we are making, I believe there are 15 gift card holders. And again, this is a suggestion to make gift card holders. You definitely can go off the beaten path and do whatever it is you want with them. I'm seeing some 3D items incorporating that free tissue paper you get to stick inside little boxes. Great little idea to give little gift cards in a little box with maybe a couple little pieces of chocolate. I mean, the sky's the limit. So it contains supplies for 15 cards and envelopes. I mean, for $22, you get all these supplies. I'm going to go through them all with you. The stamp set, the ink pad. I mean, really? So here they are. There is also, go on over, of course, you're on YouTube. Check out Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin. There will be a video posted each and every month. So if you're like me and a visual, you may want to go ahead and watch how to put them together. But you'll see there's, excuse me, 4 steps and a few little tips. Down here on the bottom, they have provided you a fun little ruler. So if you need to measure anything, and they look pretty simple. So let's turn over the back. So here it tells you what your kit includes. Over here, do more with this month's kits. And for more paper pumpkin, there are the different avenues you can go to with all of the fun places that different projects are posted. So also the website, here's where you want to go to find the video, is pumpkinhowto.com. So and warning that there is a choking hazard, so if you have small children or animals, you want to be cautious of that. Super cute, super cute. All right, so let's see what we have here. And everything is packaged so nicely, and they give you more than enough extra additional supplies to create with. These little buggers aren't wanting to come out. Right. And if for whatever reason you do receive a paper pumpkin kit that you are not satisfied with, you can always call Stampin' Up! At 1-800-STAMPIN' UP, and they will make it right for you. So here we have some tear and tape, and I love tear and tape, and I'm shocked. This is the first time we have ever received a, it's not as large as our regular tear and tape that you can purchase, but this is able to be purchased in the catalog, and it's great for making 3D items or hard to hold items, because you certainly don't want your gift cards to fall apart. And then, oh my gosh, look at these 2 sheets of these enamel. Are they soft and puffy? No, they kind of feel hard. Little candies. How cute are they? And you know what also makes me think, I have not tried it yet, but if you have your alcohol Stampin' blends, you probably can color these over. That may be when the holiday is over. If you have a whole ton of these left, then you can just use them as little dots. But they have adhesive on the back, so you get 2 full sheets of those. Here we have some glue dots. And here, oh my gosh, we have 2 sheets of Stampin' Dimensionals. And these are sticky on both sides. The back you peel off, and then you stick it to something, and it raises it up, gives it a little bit of dimension on your card, which is so fun. Here are the envelopes, and look at the fine detail even on the envelopes. Super fun. And let's see the other side if we have. Oh, the inside is lined with stripes. Love that. So we have 15 of those. Oh, and here's our cute little gingerbread houses. It looks like we have 3 different styles, as you can see how they're layered here. And they're pre-scored for you. Look how cute they are. So there's one. Excuse me, I have a little frog this morning. I had to take a break. I'm doing this massive clean out in my craft room. How many can relate, like hoarding craft supplies? Yeah. Well, anyhow, so I had to take a break from that. So here's another house design. Super fun. And here's a third one. How cute. And then here we have quite a few pages of these. Okay, we have some that are printed. All right, let me just pop them out. And look at, they're very easily popped out without ruining your nails, in case your nails are still wet like mine. And these little doors, save all these little pieces. Get yourself a little envelope and keep those. Here's a little heart. You can always color that little heart and do something else with it, incorporate it in your house. And here's the printed one. So I would assume that would go right on there like that. Look at how cute that is. So we have 3 different designs of the little fronts. This one has a star, and I did already zhuzh my nail. Okay, well, we won't worry about that. This one has a little a little doorway up on the top. So we have quite a few sheets of those. And then we have some that are just plain. And I believe the plain ones could go on the back of your house. And this is where you can stamp a to and from. You can use these stamps very easily to decorate your house. If you wanted to stamp another gingerbread on the back of your house, if you wanted to cut these apart and use them separate, you know, the sky is the limit. I'm telling you, it's just quite a value. So we have a whole bunch of sheets of those. And then we have these punch outs, all different shapes that you can use to stamp on them as well. So I'll tell you, you really do get a lot. When you think about a stamp set, the ink pad, all of these supplies, right? And the envelopes. Here's your ink spot, dimensionals, adhesives. Did I say stamp set? And also your tear and tape, full directions right there on what to create and alternative ideas and just a whole box of fun. Who wouldn't want to subscribe, right? So don't wait. Right now you can sign up for the December box, and that is going to include bears and cupcakes, and that also, from what I hear, is going to be card designs with envelopes, and it just looks super cute, and I don't want you to miss out on it, because if you don't subscribe, you're missing out on a ton of stuff. The other thing is, once you're a subscriber, you can go back in and purchase refill kits from previous months. And sometimes they even have the boxes. So if you thought, wow, this would have been a great gift for Aunt Betty, you can go ahead and purchase them, but only if you're a subscriber. So those that aren't subscribers can't go back and buy refills or purchase previous kits as they're available. So I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have opening this up, and I can't wait to start creating with this. I know gift cards are a great thing. Everyone at my office is always asking every year for gift cards, and how great would this be? You can make 15 of them. You can create them. You could stamp with our angel stamp on the back of them or somewhere on them, inconspicuous but somewhere, so that it protects you with our copyright design, and you can go ahead and sell them. So 15, if you even sold them, say, at the cheapest amount, $2 each, and the kit was only $22, do the math. It's a no-brainer. And this year, with the whole COVID thing, a lot of us aren't going to get out to get shopping. And other than shopping online, you never know what to get anyone, and a gift card is a great thing. How about sticking a lottery ticket in there and attaching that to someone's gift? So many possibilities. I just want to thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to spend a little bit of it with me. And be sure to come on back. I do a lot of different videos with stamping, sewing, embroidering, unboxings, lots of fun. And I wish you all a very happy holiday season. Thank you again, and we'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.